Hey, this is Sarath Kumar from Site Technologies, your trainer for MLOps Masterclass. In this video, I will be providing you a quick insight about this program. Please make sure you watch till the end of this video. Okay, have you ever wondered about what is this CI/CD is? What is this production model deployment, model monitoring, model registries, feature stores, and what is this data versioning? What is this automated retraining is? So definitely we will talk about that one. So do you know that demand for MLOps skilled individuals has skyrocketed in recent times? According to sixfigure.com, the average salary for MLOps engineers start from 23.1 lakhs in India. And Glassdoor reports $94.5k in US. It's really big numbers, isn't it? So why organizations are really serious about this MLOps today? It's because it's expected that 75% of organizations will shift from piloting to operationalizing their AI by end of 2024. That's not so long, right? So now let me ask you something. What do you think what makes an ML project really successful? So simply building a quality ML model is not enough for organizational success actually. So there's a lot goes into it. So having a solid ML pipelines is must for every organization to ensure success. So in this masterclass, we will be helping you to learn to build real-time ML pipelines on AWS. You will explore various tools for versioning the data, the code and ML models. You will understand the importance of feature store and learn the tools to build, train, deploy and monitor your ML models. We will also cover the complete CI/CD pipelines for automated data preparation, model training and model deployment. So during this masterclass, you will be building 2 real-time projects and complete more than 10 hands-on exercises. For the details, please check the curriculum attached in our description or please check the PDF that we have shared. So completing this masterclass, we will give you access to additional resources such as resume preparation support, community support, free ebooks, webinar and more. And here comes the final surprise. For the next 3 days, we are offering 50% discount on registration. So don't miss out and complete your registration now before we run out of spots. If you have any further questions, feel free to call or text our trainer anytime. So thank you so much and have a great day.